Video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically back up your n8n workflows to Google Drive. We'll build a clean, reusable automation that runs on its own, collects workflows from two n8n instances, and keeps an up-to-date JSON backup in Google Drive. First, the schedule trigger starts everything on a daily cadence. Pick a time when your system is least busy so the backup doesn't compete with other work. From there, two nodes pull workflow data from host 1 and host 2. This lets you protect multiple environments, like production and staging, without maintaining separate backup pipelines. Next, aggregate nodes batch the items from each host into single, easy-to-handle objects. This reduces complexity for the steps that follow. Set nodes then attach both the workflow data and the target Google Drive folder IDs for each host. By centralizing these values, you can point backups to the right folders without editing multiple nodes later. To make this entire process reusable, the workflow can also be executed by another workflow. That entry point accepts a target folder ID in a list of workflows, so teams can plug this backup routine into different automations as needed. With the target folder known, a Google Drive node retrieves the existing file list. This is your snapshot of what's already backed up. The workflow items are then split out one by one for precise handling. Archived workflows are filtered away so only active ones are saved, keeping your drive clean and relevant. Each active workflow is converted into a JSON file. The file name uses both the workflow name and ID to avoid collisions and provide reliable version context. A follow-up step standardizes the file name and updates metadata to keep everything consistent down the line. To decide whether to upload a new file or update an existing one, the workflow maps key Google Drive fields, like file ID, modified time, and MIME type, onto the workflow data. It filters out any folders, ensuring only JSON backups are considered. Then it compares the workflow's updated time with the backup's modified time. If the workflow is newer, it's routed for an update. If it's not found, it's treated as a new upload. New backups are uploaded to the target folder, while existing ones are cleanly updated in place. Finally, a dedicated sub-workflow handles the backup operation, keeping this design modular and easy to maintain or extend across environments.